Welcome to Brain Booster. Imagine a place where 90 waterfalls cascade into lakes of ever-changing colors. Welcome to Plitvice Lakes National Park. Set across a remarkable 73,000-acre area, the park is a breathtaking spectacle of caves, caverns, and lush forest landscapes. These expansive lakes are renowned for their extraordinary hues, transitioning from crystal-clear turquoise shimmers to varying shades of green, indigo, darker blues, and even gray. This constantly changing watercolor is a captivating phenomenon, dependent on the angle of the sunlight, the cloud cover, and the quantity of minerals or organisms present in the water. It's a mesmerizing dance of nature that never ceases to amaze. Declared the first national park in Croatia in 1949, Plitvice Lakes has stood the test of time, surviving wars and construction endeavors, its natural beauty fiercely protected by conservation experts. This oldest and largest national park in Croatia is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Declared Croatia's first national park in 1949, Plitvice's history stretches back far further. Its natural beauty has been a magnet for human habitation since prehistoric times. The Japods, an ancient Illyrian tribe, were among the first to make this area their home from the 12th to the 1st century BC. They were later followed by the Romans, who were drawn to the area's rich resources. The abundant forests, water, and natural shelters made it an ideal location for rearing animals and supporting livelihoods. It also served as a crucial communication route between the continental and Adriatic regions. The park's survival over the centuries is a testament to its resilience. Despite the challenges of wars and construction endeavors, this natural sanctuary has managed to retain its charm and beauty. Conservationists have fought tooth and nail to ensure the preservation of its unique landscapes and biodiversity. Their efforts have not been in vain. Today, the Plitvice Lakes National Park stands as a beacon of natural conservation, attracting over 1 million visitors each year. Notably, the park's status as Croatia's first national park is not its only claim to fame. It is also the oldest and largest national park in the country. Its expansive lakes, known for their changing colors, are a sight to behold. From crystal-clear turquoise shimmers to green, indigo, darker blues, and gray, the colors depend on the angle of the sunlight, cloud cover, and the minerals or organisms present in the water. The awe-inspiring natural beauty of Plitvice Lakes National Park is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the park's rich history and the relentless efforts of conservationists. From the ancient times of the Japods and Roman rule to the present day, the park has stood firm, weathering the storms of time and human intervention. Despite the challenges, conservation experts have fought to keep this natural landscape undisturbed. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a paradise for nature lovers, boasting exceptional biodiversity. Embracing a rich tapestry of life, the park is home to a dazzling array of creatures and plant life, each playing a crucial role in the intricate web of this vibrant ecosystem. Let's start with the park's animal kingdom. Here, over 259 animal species thrive, from small, fascinating insects to majestic mammals. The park's high conservation priorities have allowed a significant number of rare and endangered species to flourish. Among these are the elusive lynx, which is critically endangered worldwide, and the otter, wolf, and bear, all of which find sanctuary in the park's quiet and secluded areas. The park is also a haven for birdwatchers, with 37 of its recorded breeding birds listed as endangered. It's a captivating spectacle to see these beautiful creatures soaring and singing, painting the sky with their vibrant colors and filling the air with their enchanting melodies. Now, let's delve into the park's subterranean world. With around 114 sites of caves and other karst features, the park is a treasure trove for spelunkers and geologists alike. Among these is the intriguing Kudenka Pit, with its incredible vertical drop, and the Versik Cave, both of which are among the deepest in the park. Finally, let's not forget the park's plant life. With 30% of Croatia's total flora, the park is a lush, verdant realm where trees tower high and flowers bloom in a riot of colors. It's a testament to the park's rich biodiversity, demonstrating the resilience and adaptability of nature. Butterflies add another layer of magic to this wonderland, with a magnificent 321 species fluttering their wings amidst the flora. Some of these are globally endangered species, making the park one of the few and best-preserved areas for them in Croatia. From the deepest pits to the highest peaks, Plitvice's biodiversity is a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. In every leaf, every creature, every ripple on the water's surface, The park tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the enduring beauty of our natural world. Plitvice Lakes National Park is not just a sight to behold, but a place to actively engage with nature. The park is a playground for those who crave adventure, with activities that cater to every taste and skill level. Exploring Plitvice on foot is an experience like no other. There are 8 captivating circular routes to choose from, each offering a unique perspective of the park's majestic landscapes. For those who prefer a more intimate encounter with nature, there are 4 narrower hiking trails, mostly on uneven terrain, that weave through the heart of the park's forest ecosystems. But the park's offerings extend beyond just walking tours and hikes. In the chill of winter, the park transforms into a winter wonderland, with a small ski resort in the village of Mukinja, providing a unique skiing experience amidst the park's natural beauty. As the seasons change and the ice thaws, spring and summer invite visitors to experience the lakes in a whole new way. Boat rides become a popular activity, offering a serene way to navigate the turquoise waters and soak in the surrounding vistas. For the more active visitors, cycling tours provide an exhilarating way to traverse the park's varied landscapes. The park's extraordinary geology also offers its own unique set of adventures. The limestone terrain has given way to an intricate network of caves and underground systems, with around 114 sites recorded within the park. The awe-inspiring Kudinka Pit and the remarkable Versit Cave are just 2 of the many subterranean wonders waiting to be explored. Every activity in the park is a journey that immerses you in the heart of nature, allowing you to experience the park's magic firsthand. From the rustling of the leaves underfoot on a forest trail, to the soft lapping of the lake's waters against the side of a boat, every moment in Plitvice Lakes National Park is an opportunity to connect with the natural world in a profoundly personal way. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or simply looking for an adventure, Plitvice Lakes National Park offers an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.